two, and push.
Push, push, push. P-U-S-H, push.
There you go. Good, you passed up already. Good. And come toward your left. It's a lot of foot ledge.
Where?
You can come higher.
Okay, hang on a second. Hang on 1 second. I'm going to give you a foothold. You ready? Push on my foot. There you go. There you go. That's the next one.
That's good.
So
Now shimmy.
he gave a foothold using his hands. You can see right there where her feet is. Now she is.
Just in case.
Am I going
No, come this way.
this way?
Yes, because it's a lot of foot ledge right here from your back and right here too. Just in case.
If I get up here,
Mhm.
I'm good.
Hang on, wait, you just this part.
What?
No, I'm talking to, what's his name? I forgot.
I don't know.
Mike? Yeah, Mike, here. Oh,
Lisa,
sorry, Mike.
it's okay.
Here.
You got guilt right
Follow
there.
me. This is not a lot of foot ledge. Come follow me.
Lisa, you did it.
You did it good, girl.
Lisa's like, I'm still clinging to the freaking wall. I ain't done nothing. Quick, get out of my head.
Okay, go. Turn around.
Turn on me.
Back here. Are you just coming up? Somewhat, almost there. There's a foot ledge right there. All your foot stop. Put chimney and put your foot over those stuff right there. You see those foot?
Here?
Yes, all of those. With all your foot. Like that. Shimmy. Put your back close to that. Yes. Almost got it. There you go.
I'm there.
Yes, you're almost there. There's all the foot ledge right there. Shimmy up. Put yourself.
Oh shit, seriously. It is slippery here.
Yeah. You can go like this. You see one foot in the back?
Okay, this is the longest footage I have. Come on, Lisa, come on. Slowly move towards your left.
Shimmy, mama, like this. Shimmy. Push it up, push it up. And your, one of your foot right here. Like this, mama. Put your one foot right here. Pushing yourself up.
Chicka chicka pa, chicka chicka pa, chicka chicka pa, chicka pa, chicka pa.
1, 2. That's it. Keep moving.
John, that's a
One
cool
leg
shot.
back. One in the back, one in the front. Right.
And
Yeah,
I
like that.
forgot her name again. Her name is Anne.
Two hands like this.
Yeah.
One back and the one in the front. Good. Almost there. That's it. That's it. And go